Good morning, class. How are you all? I hope everyone is fine and studying well at your homes. So, today we'll start with our new topic, bees and flowers. In the previous session, we have seen the uses of flowers. So, today we'll do bees and flowers. So, without wasting any of our time, let's get into it. Flowers have nectars that attract bees and birds. Bees have color vision, thus they choose to visit colorful flowers. Okay, here it is said that flowers have nectars. Nectars mean they have this type of something part, like this one stands come and here some pollen grain powdery like का कोई substance होता है यहाँ flowers के ऊपर जो bees और bird को attract करता है. And the bees and bird attract to those flower most of the time which has colorful flowers means ज़्यादा कलरफुल दिखने वाले फ्लावर्स पे ही अट्रैक्शन ज़्यादा रहती है बीज की. ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब फुल फ्लावर्स में वो अट्रैक्ट नहीं करेंगे, पर जो ज़्यादा कलरफुल दिखते हैं दे गो टू दैट साइड इटसेल्फ. Bees play a very important role in pollinating flowers. Okay, pollination happens in flowers. Flowers attracts pollinators like bees and birds by scent. Flowers attract pollinators. Who are the pollinators? Bees and birds. And they are attracted by the fragrance. जिसकी ज़्यादा fragrance रहती है. Fragrance means खुशबू, जिसकी खुशबू ज़्यादा रहती है. As a bee gathers nectar from a flower, tiny grains of pollen stick to its hairy legs and body. So, as a bee gathers nectar is a substance present in the flower. जब बी उस नेक्टर को ले लेता है तो क्या होता है, उसके जो हेरी पार्ट्स रहते हैं बी के, उस पे जो पॉलन ग्रेन पाउडरी सब्सटेंस मैंने बताया ना यहाँ पे, वो उन लोग के बॉडी में स्टिक हो जाता है. The nectar gets collected in the sac in the bee. Nectars get collected in the sac in the bee. They have one sac type structure. Now you have seen the body structure of the bee. They have one bag like structure. वहाँ पे nectar collect हो जाता है. When the bee flies to another flower to collect more nectar, the pollen on its legs and body brushes off to fertilize the flower. Okay, now what happens when it sits on one flower? जब एक फ्लावर पे बैठता है तो उसके बॉडी में वो नेक्टर कलेक्ट हो जाता है. जैसे ही वो दूसरे फ्लावर के पास जाता है नेक्टर कलेक्ट करने के लिए, तो वहाँ पे जब वो बैठता है तो वो जो पाउडरी सब्सटेंस रहता है वो उस फ्लावर में गिर जाता है जो वो दूसरे फ्लावर से कलेक्ट करके लाया होता है. ठीक है, सो इससे क्या होता है, फर्टिलाइजेशन हैपेंस. मीन्स वन फ्लावर बिकम्स टू. फर्टिलाइजेशन हैपेंस. Once the flower is fertilized, a seed is produced and that is capable of creating a new plant. Okay, in this way flowers fertilize. How? From one flower it becomes two flowers, like this only. Once the pollen grain falls on another flower, taken from one flower and it falls on another flower, then it gets fertilized and new plant grows. The bee takes back some of the pollen to the hive where it uses it to thin the nectar into honey. Okay, nectar is found in honey, so some pollen they take to the nectar so that the honey can become more thick. ज़्यादा गाढ़ी बने. You have seen ना honey, शहद देखा आप लोगों ने ना कितना गाढ़ा रहता है. What is the from which substance? Due to the nectar. Worker bees also collect pollen and nectar from the flower to create wax to build their hive. Okay, worker bee are those who collect the pollen grains, okay, and nectar from the flower to make wax for their hive. इस तरह के देखा होगा ना आप लोगों ने wax, इसके अंदर मधुमक्खियाँ रहती हैं और फिर अपना हनी प्रोड्यूस करती हैं उन लोग. इस तरह ये बनाने के लिए उन लोग एक्स्ट्रा नेक्टर और pollen कलेक्ट करती हैं. The queen bee creates the wax in her abdomen which she uses to climb chambers when she lays her egg. Okay, the queen bee creates the wax. Who creates the wax? Queen bee in her abdomen, which is below the stomach, which she uses to build the chambers when she lays the egg. जहाँ पर वो eggs देती हैं. Clear up to this much? I hope this is clear to everyone. Come to next page number 37. Beehive. Now we'll study about beehive. Beehive means a place where bees live. Beehive is the dwelling place of bees. Okay, now what is beehive? It is a dwelling place of a bee where the bees live. Domesticated honey bees are kept in beehives. Domesticated means which some people keep the beehives in the home itself where they produce the honey and they sell it. Okay, घर में ही domestication. Domesticated animals वही होते हैं ना जिन्हें हम घर में पालते हैं. तो sometimes they kept in the beehives. They make the beehives and there they collect all the bees and keep it there itself. The bees use the hive space to raise a brood and to store honey for the winter. Okay, the bees use the space. जो hive में space रहता है, ऐसा नहीं कि वो पूरा बंद रहता है, वो bee hive जो रहता है उसमें थोड़ा space रहता है, वहाँ पे उन लोग अपने बच्चे create करते हैं, egg पे बैठते हैं और females बैठती हैं और store करते हैं honey winter के लिए ताकि उन लोग उसे खा पाएं. A location where many beehives are kept is known as apiary. Okay, a location where many beehives. Okay, जहाँ बहुत सारी beehives रहती हैं उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Apiary. Clear? Now, there are two types of beehives in an apiary. Okay, there are two types of beehives. Traditional beehives provide an enclosure for the bees. They do not have any internal structure. Okay, traditional beehives means which are means made by oneself. Traditional they are. Okay, they provide an enclosure to the bee. They do not have any internal structure. Okay, there is no internal structure in that beehive. So the bees fill the space in the hive with the combs. Okay, so they fill it with they fill the hives means जो hive रहता है उनको उन लोग comb से fill up करते हैं. Such combs cannot be moved without destroying them. Okay, जो comb से उन लोग उस hive को भरते हैं क्योंकि उसमें बहुत सारा स्पेस रहता है तो उसको जिसे भरते हैं उसको हम लोग जब तक उसको तोड़ेंगे नहीं वो इधर से उधर नहीं चल सकता. सो इट इज कॉल्ड फिक्स्ड फ्रेम हाइव. Okay, that will call fixed frame hive. Honey from traditional hives is extracted by crushing the wax honeycomb to squeeze out the honey. Okay, honey जो traditional hive से extract करते हैं कैसे प्रेस करते हैं उसको क्रश करते हैं wax को honeycomb को जहाँ वो honeycomb में इकट्ठा होती हैं वहाँ उसको squeeze करते हैं मीन्स बहुत जोर से दबाते हैं तब honey बाहर आती है. This method of honey extraction produces more wax and less honey. Okay, there we'll get more wax and less honey in traditional beehive. Second type of modern movable frame hive. Okay, movable from the name it is understood. We can move it from here to there, but this traditional beehive we cannot move it. The modern beehive is made up of series of square or rectangular boxes without a top or a bottom and are placed one on a top other. See, like this. It is movable beehive. It is kept one on the other, a rectangular type. Okay, inside the boxes there are parallel frames. Okay, there are parallel frames. These movable frames are thin rectangular structure made of wood or plastic and have wax on which the bees draw out the comb. Okay, they have the parallel structural wood and on which wax bees draw out the comb on which bees make their comb. These frames allow the beekeeper to split the hive to make new colonies. Okay, these are movable, so we can take one hive and move it to the other one also. The beekeeper takes out honey by using a smoker to blow out smoke so that the bees disperse. Okay, see, like this. This can be moved like this. He makes one. यहाँ पे आग जला लेते हैं और आग से क्या होता है मधुमक्खियाँ भाग जाती हैं छत्ता छोड़ के, है ना. Then he uses a machine called honey extractor to remove the honey from the comb. Okay, a machine called honey extractor is used to remove the honey from the comb. Honey को निकालने के लिए honey extractor use किया जाता है. Clear? These are the two types of beehives we can see. Next is a florography. Many flowers have important meaning in the Western culture. The practice of assigning meaning to the flowers is called florography. Okay, many मतलब flowers के different means होते हैं ना. Rose is a symbol of love, papaya is a symbol of consolation at the dead time, daisy is a symbol of innocence. Okay, like lotus is our national flower. Okay, many of them have meaning. Some flowers have meaning. They have different types of meaning. कुछ बताते हैं वो flower. उनको जब हम किसी फ्लावर को कोई अर्थात देते हैं तो उसे क्या कहते हैं? फ्लोरोग्राफी. लाइक रोज इज अ सिंबल ऑफ लव, पपाया इज अ सिंबल ऑफ कंसोलेशन ऑफ डेथ एट द टाइम एंड डेजी इज अ सिंबल ऑफ इनोसेंस. Clear? So in this way we have completed our this chapter. I hope it is understood and clear to you. If you face any difficulty with the chapter, please ask me in the group. Okay, until then, stay safe at your home, study well. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.